All right, so this is one of the muscle videos, and we're going to be going over the muscles of the head and neck. So the first muscle listed on your sheet is occipitofrontalis, and it has two bellies, and it has an aponeurosis in the middle. So the first belly, the occipital belly, is this red patch right back here over the occipital bone. And then you notice this gray structure that goes over the top. We'll talk about that in a minute. And then we have another part here. This is the frontal belly. So occipitofrontalis goes from the occipital bone to the frontal bone, and each of the red areas is a belly. The gray in the middle is a flat tendon called an aponeurosis. And since it goes over the top of the head or top of the cranium, that one is the epicranial aponeurosis. Now, it's all one structure, but on the test, be careful to see whether we're pointing at the frontal belly of occipitofrontalis or the occipital belly of occipitofrontalis or the epicranial aponeurosis. All right, let's turn to the front. So that's that frontal belly here. And you'll notice there's a circular muscle around the eye. That one is called Orbicularis Oculi. And we have a circular muscle around the mouth. That would be Orbicularis oris. I like to teach those in those pairs so you can kind of associate the terms. Okay, we also have the Buchen Ater. The Buchen Ater is easiest seen over here on the deep side. It's a horizontal muscle that goes to the mouth. So it's over here on the deep side of the model, but you can see it peeking through over here on the superficial side. You just have to look in this little pocket right here and notice the fibers are going horizontally. That is the Buchen Ater. We also have zygomaticus major. So here's where my zygomatic bone would be. This little branch would be zygomaticus minor going to the side of the nose. This is the branch that is zygomaticus major, which looks like it's going down to the corner of the mouth. The other mouth-moving muscle that we have is the masseter, and it is here on the superficial side. It's a vertical muscle right here. It's your chewer for mastication. That's why it's called the masseter muscle. And actually, it's the strongest muscle in your body. Okay, we also have the temporalis muscle, and it's going to be found over the temporal bone. So you see a little bit there on that side. You can see a better view over here, temporalis. Awesome. Now, we're also going to have one in the neck, and its name tells you everything you need to know. It's called sternocleidomastoid. So it starts here at the sternum. Cleido is clavicle, so here's clavicle. So you see this muscle here? It has a piece that starts at the sternum, a piece that starts at the clavicle, and it's sternocleidomastoid. So we follow it. It goes up the back of the neck, and it's going to insert right here under the ear on that mastoid process. And this is the muscle that allows you to turn your head from side to side. Again, its name is sternocleidomastoid. And those are the muscles of the head and neck that you are responsible for.